In this video, I'll show you how to add a time limit in Google Form quizzes. So what we're going to do is either create a brand new Google form, or I'm just going to pick a template here. So here we are inside our Google form. And what we need to do is add an extension or an add-on. So go to the top right and click on the three dots. Then click on Get Add-ons. Inside here, we're going to search for Form Timer. And now you can choose whichever one you want. I'm looking at the ratings and I'm going to go with pretty much anything that has a 4.8. So I'll choose this one. And you just want to click on the little install button and then click on Continue. It's going to ask me to choose the account I want to put this add-on on. Then it's going to ask me for some information. I'll just hit Continue. And lastly, make sure you agree to give access to all of these things. And if you're happy with that, hit Allow. All right, so now we have our add-on installed. We can go back to our form. Let's close that. So fill out all the information in your form or quiz. Then click on Add-ons on the top here. Click on Form Limit Timer. Click on Configure. And now a window will pop up on your right. And in here is where you will configure. So enable your start date by typing it in the format you see here, and your end date. Form limit is just how many responses you can have to this form. But for things you don't understand, just click on the right here. Just hover over the right here on the question mark. And you're going to go through this entire form and fill out all the information that is necessary to you. Again, don't understand something, just hover over the question mark. And when you're done filling out all this information, you want to hit Save. And when you're done, just like a regular form, you will hit Publish. And that's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.